Here we are in Aruba. There's a lot going on. We're headed off to De Palm Island, and we're going to do some snorkeling and buffet and drinks and maybe some water slides. I don't know.
Hopefully no more sunburns.
No more sunburns. I got a little lobstered yesterday. You know what? It's a cruise. So we'll try to take you along, and we'll maybe do some shopping later. And that's the plan for today. So thanks for hanging with us. And keep watching. Coming into the cruise terminal here in Aruba. So we had to wait quite a while on a relatively warm bus before we left the cruise terminal. But once we did, it was a relatively quick ride to De Palm Island, maybe 20 minutes. That is the tallest peak on Aruba. They call it Haystack. And we ended up deleting the audio from our time on the island because the wind was pretty strong, and there was so much wind noise on the mic that it wasn't very enjoyable. But we had a beautiful day. The water around the island, of course around Aruba, was just stunning. So this is the area that you'll come to right as you walk into the island. There's some changing rooms on your left. Obviously, you get a view of the beautiful water here on the island. Off to the left here, you'll see the area where they have their buffet. You'll notice the waves here. There's no real breakwater on De Palm Island, so when we're snorkeling, you get pushed around quite a bit, as you'll see from the video of our snorkeling time. So here we're going to walk into where all the lounges and seating area is. Off to the right, you'll see a kid's splash pad. There weren't many kids on the island, probably because we were there in September, and most kids, at least from the U.S., are in school at this point. Off to the left, you'll see some more seating, and a lot of these are connected to private cabanas, and there were a number of private cabanas available for an upcharge. Off to the left there, in the little clearing area, you can see a spot where you can do your snorkeling, or snuba is available as well. The snorkeling was free, the snuba was an extra charge. Now here's a seating area for the grill. They serve burgers and chicken tenders and fries, as well as they had a bar here that you could get your included drinks. As you can see, there were a wide variety of chairs available. However, some of the chairs were pretty old and beat, and almost all of the chairs by the water had been taken up by the time we got there. We still managed to find a place in the shade, and we were able to enjoy that for quite a while. whatsoever. So we're in Aruba. We're in the shopping area, indulging my love. So we're out having fun. We did some fun stuff this morning, and now we're gonna try to spend some money, I guess.
So far, we got more sunblock.
Yeah, we needed it. So. All right, hope you're enjoying the tour. All right, we're here with Guys Pig and Anchor, and I'm going to try the Thunder Tots. So we'll see how that goes.
I don't know.
Looks like you're making a mess there.
All right, here we go. We're going to have to get another one of these. That's good. That's really good. All right, so we're having a little Guys Pig and Anchor. We're trying a little bit of everything here.
Trying to cut the corn again.
She's trying to cut the corn. Just take the whole thing.
I don't want the whole thing.
I got some mac and cheese. So it's an exciting night on the Carnival ride.